and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to find version of Python that you have installed on your computer. And so for the sake of this tutorial, I will assume that you're using the Mac, even though I will be showing or rather guiding you Windows users to how to do the same thing. So without waste of time, I want this video to be really short. Let's go straight into it. So assuming you have installed Python, as I have already installed, and you want to just know which version of Python you have on your computer, all you have to do is just to type Python in your terminal. So here I'm using a terminal and I'm on a Mac. If I do Python and then I do -- version, similar to what we did in Conda, then it will tell me the version. So this is how you get to check the version of Python installed on your machine. If you're on the window, instead of typing Python, you just say Py. So if you just say Py -- version and hit enter, it will give you this sort of information if you're a Windows user. What if you don't want to use your terminal? Say you want to use Python and say Jupyter Lab or whatever IDE editor, code editor you have that you're using to run your Python code. Or in fact, say you want to you just run it within, just simple to say, just run it within Python. So for example, I'll launch Python. Now I'm in Python, so I'm in the IDE, kind of like a code interface for Python. And so if you have this, then you could use a package called sys. It's already installed on all Python stuff. So it's like system. So just import system. Now that we've imported system, you just have to do system, which is our sys the version. So you just do system version, and it's going to tell you what we saw earlier on the Python version. So you just have to import sys and just do system version, and that will tell you which sort of like Python version you have installed. I hope that was helpful. Again, you could run this in any of them. You could run this in Python, you could run it in Jupyter Lab, you could run it in VS Code or whatever, PyCharm, whatever, or you could just run it within the terminal. I hope this was helpful. I hope these videos are helpful to you, as many of you that want quick questions on some topics that are related to coding. With that, I'm going to end the video here, but I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.